In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google form. So what you want to do is simply go to Google and type in Google Forms, and then the first thing that pops up is Google Forms Online Form Creator, Google Workspace. You want to press this, and then click over here where it says Go to Forms, or up here, and this will take you inside the forms. Now you have a set of different templates over here you can use, okay, and this can come in handy in case you want to quickly set up a form. Simply click on it and it will open up a new template. As you can see, I'm going to click on it right now and it's going to start opening up a form. There we go, and you can customize this one. But if you want to create a new one, okay, all you have to do, let me go back out here, is create a blank form over here, and then you want to style it however you like it, okay? So here are the questions. You can then later see responses, and you have some settings. So you can add in a title. Let's say this is a sample form, and then description, this is a form for this tutorial. There we go. You can make it bold, you can make it however you'd like, and then you can start adding in questions, okay? Now here is the, let's say, first question, how are you, something like that. And then you can change whether you want it to be a multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, paragraph, file upload, linear scale, and stuff like that, okay? You can change this however you would like. And then you simply put in the options. Let's say I want to make, let's say I want to type in great, or you can just add another one, let's say even better than great, and stuff like that. I'm not gonna yap around, okay? And then you can also duplicate this question by clicking over here. We just duplicated it, as you can see. You can remove it by clicking this delete button over here, and you can make it required so that whoever is answering this can, has to fill out this question, otherwise they can't complete the form. And then if you have under more options, you can also show description, go to section based answer, or shuffle option order, okay? And if you do shuffle option order, it will eventually shuffle them, every time somebody is solving this, okay? Now what you also want to know is that you can also import questions, okay? You can import them from your recent different forms, from your drive, or from what was shared with you. And then you can also add a title and description to each and every single form, or in between them, okay? You can also add in images, videos, or different sections, okay? As you can see, this is the first section, this is the second section, and yeah, you can pretty much change it and customize it however you'd like. If you go up here, it says customize theme. You can change the header, the question, the text. You can also choose an image for the header. You can change the color, kind of theme of the background. As you can see, it's now changing, and then you can select different kind of shades of the color and stuff like that. So you can customize pretty much everything. And once you're done, you can go up here where it says preview, and when you click preview, you'll see that you can see the kind of sample form that we just made, and that's pretty much it. They can just answer, and that's it. Now if you go back in here, you also have responses, and you can see responses from people. And if you go into settings, you can also set this to be made as a quiz. You can manage how responses are collected and protected. You can make a presentation out of this. So as you can see, not make a presentation, you can change how the presentation is going. So you can show progress bar, shuffle question order, view results summary, stuff like that. And you can also set some defaults for the forms and the questions. And now once you're done, you can go up here to where it says send, and you can simply get a link to the form. You can embed it as HTML, okay, let's say into a website or something like that, or you can send it via email to somebody and send them a message, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much. Of course, you can also add an editor if you'd like to, and it can be done over here. Now you can also collect email addresses or not, and that's pretty much it. That's how you make a Google form, and I hope this video helped you out.